Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hey, Molly.
Hey, Andrew.
Hey, everybody.
Hi, boys and girls.
We've looked at a lot of different topics recently, light, sound, and shadows. I think it's time we take a step back and revisit some of those things that we've learned.
Sound is a type of energy that comes from when things vibrate. When we turn on a stereo, the speakers vibrate the air around it. Those vibrations travel through the air to our eardrums, where we hear it as sound. Sound and vibration are what let us rock out to our favorite songs. Anything that vibrates makes sound. Light is made up of waves. These waves travel from light sources. We also discussed how light works. Light goes from a light source, like this lamp, bounces off of objects, and then goes to our eyes, where we can see things. When an object, like a tree, blocks light from the light source, it creates a shadow.
Sound and light are around us all the time.
I know. And what's really cool is how we use sound and light together to send messages and communicate with each other. Let's check it out.
People use sound and light together to send all kinds of messages. Cell phones use sound and light to let you know someone's calling.
There's so much to learn about light and sound. Science really is fascinating. Well, see you later.
This is Bolly sounding off. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.